No.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to start with skincare, and I'm just using this Origins Willowherb and brightening serum all over my face, and I'm just going to apply that. Then I'm going in with my KIEHL'S. It's like this pomegranate illuminizer hydrating moisturizer, and you can put it on before moisturizer or foundation or mix it in. And then I'm using the Origins Willowherb Matte Moisturizer, which I am obsessed with. So I'm doing my skincare before. Then I'm going in with my Glossier sunscreen. This is a real life get ready with me. I was going to my friend's graduation, so I had to do my skincare and all of that, and that's why I'm moving pretty fast. Then I'm going in with my favorite primer, which is the Pro Filter by Fenty Beauty. I love this. You know this. I use this in like every makeup video. Then I'm going in with these Coverfx Illuminating drops. These are like the golden ones. I don't know the name because it's like rubbed off, but I will have everything linked down below, and I'm just going to use a Real Technique sponge to blend that out and give me some glow. So next I'm going in with my Nars Concealer. This is, I think, like the matte one, and I'm using the color Hazelnut, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face in the spots that I needed over this little breakout, and I'm going to show you how I cover and disguise my breakouts later. So I'm just applying it in all of the spots that I needed. And I've really noticed a difference not wearing foundation on my skin. I have way less breakouts, so I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm just going to go in with my MAC foundation in, like, I think it's a Select Cover in the color Deep Dark. This is like a darker foundation for the summer, but I use it to bronze and contour and warm up my face. So I'm just applying that with this e.l.f. brush. I'm going to go in with more concealer using the Nars Radiant Creamy and Amande, and apply that on the places I need extra coverage and under my eyes, and to highlight and kind of brighten my face up some more. And I'm going to blend all of that out with a beauty sponge. Can we discuss Fifi while I'm blending? I do not like Tekashi 69, and I was forced to listen to him on the radio and listen to Fifi. Even though I'm a Nicki fan, morally, I'm conflicted. I'm conflicted. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments. Then I'm just going to blend that out seamlessly with the MAC foundation and kind of bronze it up and make it look blended. And then I'm going to go in and cover up one of my little face demons with this eyeliner. I learned this trick from Desi Perkins. You use eyeliner or like a dark eyeshadow, and you just draw like little moles on your face to cover up this it. And this really does work. It just makes me feel less self-conscious about it. So yeah. I'm just going to use this Laura Mercier translucent powder in dark and set my under eye and just set my face in all the areas that I get oily and crease. Okay, so I'm just checking to see if that's dry and like making sure it looks right, because sometimes like the eyeliner doesn't make a perfect circle. So I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and lightening up the darkness of it so it looks more natural, like a real mole. And I'm just going to move on to my brows. They took so long, so I sped through and cut some of the clips, but you can see the finished product of my brow. I'm using this NYX brow pencil in brunette. I kind of like doing lighter brows now because they look way more natural than using a darker pencil or powder. So yeah, I'm just filling in these thick caterpillar brows. And I'm just going to go in with this KKW brush and their contour kit, and I'm going to contour and kind of give my face some more color. I really like this brush and the contour kit. Still, I want to try their concealer, and yeah, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. I used to use this all the time. Excuse me, got some stuff in my throat. But I love this blush. It's so pigmented and just like the perfect wash of color, and it's just super cute. So I love this blush. And to just add a little more pizzazz and bronze, I'm going to go in with the, I think, Mimosa Sunrise, the orange side. And I really like this. It gives you like a nice, beautiful bronze, orangey goddess look. And it just blends in so well with a contour. So yeah, I love that. Then I'm just going to use some of my MAC. This is the Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark, and I'm just going to clean up my contour and give myself a little bit of extra coverage. This is a very lightweight powder, but I love it. I've been using it for years, and I'm just going to add a few more moles to just make it look natural because I don't have a lot. I have beauty marks on my face, but I only have like a few. So yeah, I'm just going to add some and make them look natural. And I'm just going to add some lip balm and then go in with my Too Faced lip injections. I've really been obsessed with lip injections. I think it does work and it just makes everything glide on so much easier. But yeah, that mole trick really does work. I've used it so many times, and I'll go to my friends and look at the face like, a mole or is it? And they're like, a mole. So yes, it really does work. Thank you, Desi. Shout out to you for that. And I just go over the moles with some powder to kind of lighten them up and make them look like more natural in my skin. That's the key, is to just make sure that it looks comfortable and natural to you and that it looks like a mole to you. So my zits aren't that bad, but I can like see little bumps and it does show on your foundation. So it's just easier to make it into a mole. And I'm just going back in, fixing that one to make it look more circular. And yeah, it's just all trial and error to make it look the way you want your moles to look. Mole, 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 if you know what I'm talking about from Austin Powers. And I took off my scarf and I'm just applying some mascara. This point I was really needed to like leave and actually get ready to go, and I'm just finishing up my makeup. I love this mascara. I want to buy the full one. My mom had the full one, and the Chanel mascara is bomb. It just makes your lashes just look like you're wearing fake ones. I just love it so much, and castor oil really is making my lashes grow, and I'm obsessed. The mascara face is so intense. It's like, I will get the lashes, every single one of the lashes. Now that I've taken forever to put on mascara, I'm going to put some more I'm going to put some more of this mineralized skin finish on my zit mole and lighten that up, make it look like skin, and yeah, I'm just going back and forth and doing the things that I need to do. I'm a very sporadic makeup person, and I'm just going to blend that out with the powder in my beauty sponge and add a little bit of concealer mixed with like the Laura Mercier and just make it look real. And finally, my favorite part, I'm going to be highlighting with this Fenty Beauty brush and the Killawatt highlighter in Hustla Baby. Love this combination. I stay glowing, and this brush is like my favorite for applying highlight now. It just gives you the intensity that you want, or it gives you the subtlety that you want. You need this brush in your life, I promise. And I'm just going to add some of the Orgasm Illuminating loose powder on top of that because I like to layer my highlights, and I'm trying to glow. I'm trying to glow, and I get oily, but I feel like I get dewy, so when everything mixes in, I'm a glowing girl, okay? And I'm just going to set that all in place with the MAC Fix Plus in Coconut. And yes, I just take a piece of paper and fan that into my skin and let that dry. And I'm just checking and I'm just blending in the powder to make sure that my moles look seamless. And then because it wasn't dry, I just went over a little bit with the powder to cover any mistakes that I made and make it just look together. And I'm going to go in with this Kylie Lip Kit in Kristen. I really like this color as like a wash of color, not as like a full lip kit, but I just use it to the amount that I want, and I just like build it up to however intense I want it to be, and I blot it. You can see where it looks way too intense there, but I just love the coral wash, and then I'm just going to apply some lip gloss on top of that. You guys, that is the finished look. I had to go get dressed, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to spread love, positivity, do your self-care, and to drink water. Bye.